Hi guys, and welcome to mail merge tutorial. I'm going to show you guys how to create a mail merge, but first of all let me just show you how this works. Right here is the spreadsheet with all of the information that I use, so I'm going to just close that for now. And here, that is the mail merge. Okay, so you can see how that works. Look at that. So I'm going to just start a new project. Click here and start a new one. There we go. We're starting a new one entirely. The previous one, I'm just going to close that. I don't need it. You want to save it? Don't save. To start with, make sure you have your own spreadsheet that you intend to use. I do have a spreadsheet, and it's right here. Maybe I'm also going to upload this onto my description area for you guys to copy. That's it right there. All right, minimize that and close this. So let's start by going straight to the tab up here, and let's select mailings. Then make sure you select mailings. Once that is done, you see where it says start mail merge. Click on that. So whatever you want to mail merge, so let's just start with letter. So we want to mail merge letter. Right beside the start mail merge is a select recipient, and the recipient in this case type a new list. However, I do have existing list, which is the spreadsheet that I showed to you guys earlier. So I'm going to come in here, go into my document, and I do have it there. Loan details. There we go. And this row here, you see where it says first row of data contains columns and headers. So just make sure it's checked. Click on OK. Once that is done, the next icon here is if you intend to edit it. If you want to get rid of anybody's details there, just uncheck that. Okay, but I don't want to. And next, you now want to come in here. You see where we have insert merge fields. Click on that. Those are the fields I intend to insert. So I'm going to click on name. Then the next one is going to be address, but let's just type in name here so that we know we have that and we can just indent it. Now next is going to be the address. So I can just type in address there and get it merged as well. There we go. And followed by number of years. The number of years of payment. So get that indented. Next, go back to your insert merge field. Rate, that is supposed to be the interest rate. So I'm going to copy that and just paste it right here and get it merged. And let's see the next one, monthly payments. So let's grab the monthly, paste it there. And I think finally we have total payments. There we go. That's our total payments. You can just copy the text, paste it there. There we go. And that's it. So all you just need to do now is, you see here, preview the results. If you click on that, that is it. Look at it. It's officially mail magic. So just click. Check that out. Okay, now what letter do you want to send to your customer? So let's make up something in there. I'm going to say equals R, and let's enter 4 by 4. Yeah, that will do. Let's press enter. That's the letter we intend to send to our recipients. And that's how you create your own mail. I guess how simple it is, guys. So with that, I'm going to end this short tutorial. I suppose you guys enjoy it, and you all have a nice day now. Bye for now.